Welcome to the learning paper for Magani School Electrical Technology, Learning Paper 1 for Year 4, Quarter 4, Paper 1, 2025. Question 1. Basic Principle of Electricity. Revise on the basics of electrical atomic structure. Atomic theory. All material and matter consist of small particles, and these particles are called atoms. The atoms are the building blocks for electrical current flow. Atoms are comprised of the following: core, a neutron, proton, electron field, and electron. It is the movement of one electron from one atom to another that makes the flow of electricity possible. Question 2. Ohm's law. Revise on the basic theory of voltage, current, and resistance of Ohm's law. In any electrical circuit, the current that runs through it is directionally proportional to the supply voltage and indirectly proportional to the resistance at a constant temperature. If we look at the formulas, V over IR, where voltage, the equation symbol is V, the unit symbol is V, and the unit is volts. Where ampere, the equation symbol is I, the unit is A, and the unit is amps. Resistance, the symbol will be R, the unit is the ohm symbol, and the units will be ohms. Equations and formulas. R equals V divided by I. V equals I multiplied by R. And I equals V divided by R. Question 3 is true or false questions. This question is general knowledge on electricity, components, and the tools that is used in the electrical field. Question 4. Electrical components and some. There are a lot of different components in the electrical industry that we need to deal with. Each component has a function, symbol, and unit that we need to know and understand. We start with a resistor. The function, the resistor provides resistance against the flow of electricity. The unit of a resistor is ohms, and here is a sketch of the symbol at the bottom. The fuse. Function. A fuse is a safety component that is used to protect a circuit. It has a melting wire that melts when the current is too high. The unit is ampere or milliampere at which this wire will melt. And here's a couple of symbols at the bottom. The LED, light emitting diode. Function. A semiconductor with two terminals. It allows the flow of electricity only in one direction. A light is also emitted. Unit is rated in volts, and the symbol is like a diode with two arrows pointing outward. The thermistor, or temperature-sensitive resistor. Function. A thermistor is a specific type of resistor that uses sensors to help regulate cold and heat. The unit is in resistance at a given temperature. For example, 10K 25. The value is R 10 kilo ohm and B at 25 degrees Celsius. The symbol is like a resistor with a line through it. The incandescent lamp function is to provide light. The unit is in watts and volts, and there is 3 different symbols that you can use to indicate it. The coil function. An inductor, also called a coil, a choke, or reactor, is a passive two-terminal electrical component that stores energy in a magnetic field when electric current flows through it. An inductor typically consists of insulated wire wound into a coil around the core. And here are 2 symbols at the bottom that we can use to indicate it. The variable resistor function. A variable resistor is able to have its electrical resistance adjusted. These devices are used to control voltages or current in a circuit. The symbol at the bottom is like a resistor with a line through it, with an arrow. The LDR, light dependent resistor function. An LDR is a component that has a variable resistance that changes when the light intensity that falls upon it. This allows them to be used in light sensing circuits. The symbol is like a resistor with a circle around it with 2 incoming arrows pointing towards it. Question 5. Conductors and cables. Revise on the basics of wiring a DB and its components. Name the different components that is installed in a domestic distribution box, DB. The main breaker, an earth leakage unit, circuit breakers, isolators, surge arresters, timers, neutral bar, and an earth bar. What is the purpose of an energy meter and what is the unit of measurement? The energy meter measures the number of units of electricity consumed in kilowatt hours. What is the difference between thermal and magnetic circuit breakers? Thermal breakers make use of heat to trigger the trip mechanism, where magnetic breakers works on electromagnetic principle. What is the purpose of a surge arrestor? Surge arrestor clamps the voltage down to a safe value to protect the circuit from voltage surges and limit lightning damage. What is the purpose of a pilot light? Pilot light is an indicator that shows when power is present in a circuit. Here is the cable rating table, which gives us different sizes of cables and the rating in amps that they can handle. Cable and wire sizes that is used in a domestic installation. For light circuits, we will use 1.5 mm square. For plugs or socket outlet circuits, we will use 2.5 mm square wire. Stove circuits, 4 mm square. Geysers, 4 mm square. The main supply to the DB board, 16 mm square. Question 6. Series and parallel circuits. Revise on calculations of series and parallel circuits. Resistors in series. Calculations with 2 and 3 resistors in series. Here's a typical example of a circuit with 2 resistors in series, where R total equals R1 plus R2. R1 is 20 ohms plus 15 ohms for R2, which equals 35 ohms. Resistors in parallel. Calculations with 2 or more resistors in parallel. Here we got a typical circuit with 3 resistors in parallel. For resistors in parallel, we'll use 1 over R total equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. This equals 1 over 20 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 30. That equals to 15 plus 20 plus 10 over 300, which equals 45 over 300. So for RT, we have to change them around. So the 300 goes to the top and the 45 to the bottom. And that calculates to 6.67 ohms for this circuit, for R total. A circuit consists of a battery of 12 volt, a switch, and a resistor of 120 ohm. 220 ohm connected in series. Calculate what the size of the current will be when switched on and draw the circuit. This will basically be your calculations and how the circuit will look like, what you need to draw. You've got R total equals R1 plus R2, so 150 plus 220 is 370 ohm. I total equals V over R total, which is your 12 volt over your 370 that you calculated, and it calculates to 0.032 amps or 32 milliamps. And this is the circuit that you should draw. Question 7. Electrical circuits. Revise on calculations of series and parallel circuits. Power calculations. So for power, a triangle, we put the P for power on top, the I for current left, and the V for the voltage right. The current flow multiplied by the pressure voltage, create the flow I, is the power symbol P in the circuit. The power equals current times volts, and it's measured in watts. Simple calculations to demonstrate the relation between the different electrical units. Here's a circuit with a 12 volt battery, a resistor, a switch, and a multimeter. V equals 12 volts, the battery. R is the resistor that we need to work out, and I equals 2 amps. To work out R equals voltage divided by current is 12 volts over 2 amp current, so R will be 6 ohms. If you need to work out the power, you take I, which is 2 amps, multiply by V, the voltage which is 12, and we get to 24 watts. The circuit consists of a 5 volt battery connected to a globe that has a power rating of 5 watts. Draw the circuit, calculate how much the current in the circuit is, also calculate the resistance of the globe. So this is the basic circuit. 5 volt battery, a switch, a 5 watt globe. If you look at the current I equals the power divided by the voltage. The 5 watts divided by 5 volts gives us 1 amp. Look at the resistance of the globe. We've got the voltage divided by the current. So that's 5 volts divided by 1 amp equals 5 ohms. And that brings us to the end of this learning paper for paper 1. Good luck.